Chapter 23 of the book, The Sound of Light, a book that was written by Leonard Sweet and Lisa Sampson, and is intended, or at least hoped by them, to be used by people like you and me and I, to be read aloud to people who are at life's end, or to people who are suffering, or to people who are in great despair. The title of chapter 23 is When the Wind Powers the Boat. There is a big difference between a sailboat experience on the open water and a powerboat experience. When the breeze picks up and fills the sail, it's a world of difference from when the motor kicks in and pushes the craft forward. The little chug, sometimes beginning with a blue puff of smoke, propels the boat along of its own accord. It will only go as fast as the motor allows. But the wind is another story. The wind requires the boat to adjust to it. When the skillful sailor sets the sails just right, the speed and agility of the boat as it moves through the water are awe-inspiring and life-giving. Even the wind on our faces feels more thrilling when it comes from canvas sails, not fuel tanks. The breath of the one who created you will take over the propulsion of your life at any time you ask. God takes our will very seriously. Maybe it's time to say, yes, God, hoist the sails, set the course, take me where you will, pilot me. Yes, God, is like cutting off the gas, heaving motor, and hoisting the sails. God will help you adjust them along the way so that the wind might carry you more effortlessly and efficiently. It's never too late to say yes to God's empowering and piloting. Even now, God is ready to breathe holy breaths of love into your being so that you might continue your journey. Sail upon the waters of the one who loves you with the breath of the one who is with you. God will sail your boat now. God will take care of you. Kick back, lean forward, and glide. Trust. Receive the love of God for you. The one who loves you will guide your craft to safe harbor. In that harbor, as now, is the everlasting life found in the one in whom you live and move and have your being. And when you reach the shore, home. The home is prepared for you. The ship that God sails always delivers you safely into the harbor. When we say yes to God, we're really saying yes to a ship running the way it was meant to run, and to a dream destination fully furnished for us by our Maker and Creator. It's an advancement to goodness without transaction, to love without a breaking point, to light and warmth unending. It is where you will be known and know fully as you are. Can you see the lighthouse? God is at the helm. God will guide you through anything between you and the front door. You'll be welcomed home by the one who rules the waves, your loving parent. It's hard to imagine, but don't let that stop you, friend. Imagine with all the zest and zeal inside you. Do not feel anything is too magnificent for God, because it is not. Eye hasn't seen nor ear heard the wonderful things that God has prepared for you. For that, see 1 Corinthians 2:9. See safe harbor, sailor, and beloved, beloved, beloved.